Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to deal with our next unit, Bamboo Curry, Class 5, Subject English. Tell me, dear children, have you ever seen bamboo? Do you know, children, bamboo is not a plant or not a tree. Bamboo is a kind of tall grass. Bamboo is a tall grass. Bamboo is very useful for us in our day-to-day life. We can make some kind of furniture from the bamboo. We can make bamboo beds, bamboo sofa and chairs. By using bamboo, we can also make some houses and its roof. We can make bamboo doors also. We can make some stronger bridge by using bamboo. Through the bamboo, we can make some beautiful decorative things like flower vase. Okay. From the bamboo, we can make a different kinds of baskets. Here you can see that there is a different kind of basket. We can use bamboo to make the baskets also. So this is the story. Bamboo Curry is based on the bamboo and it's a kind of folk tale. The Bamboo Curry is it's based on Santhalai tribe. Do you know what is Santhalai tribe? It's an old Indian tribe. Now before read the lesson, let us see some new words from the lesson. Okay, here I am giving you the word and its meanings for your better understanding. So, the first word is bridegroom. It means a man on his wedding ceremony. Delicious. It means tasty. Remembered. It means recall. Yaad karna. Next word is shocked. It means greatly surprised. Chopping. Cutting into pieces. Sixth word is shoots. It means young branches or stems.
Now open the textbook, page number 16. The Bamboo Curry is a kind of folk tale and it's very interesting story about the bamboo door. Okay, now let's see what is there in the lesson. One day, the mother-in-law of the Shantala bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and taking it with him, left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." So dear children, what happened? One day, the bridegroom visited his in-laws' house. When the bridegroom was there, the mother-in-law made one special dish. When the bridegroom tasted that dish, he said that it was a delicious. This curry is delicious. This sentence is said by the bridegroom to his mother-in-law. This curry is delicious. What is it? The bridegroom asked his mother-in-law that this curry is delicious, but what is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. See dear children, in your book there is one picture and in this picture the mother-in-law is pointed on the bamboo door. आपकी बुक में जो पिक्चर है उसमें क्लियरली दिखाया गया है मदर इन लॉ जो है वो अपने ब्राइडग्रूम को क्या दिखा रही है? बैम्बू डोर. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जस्ट as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no any bamboo in his village. So next morning, when the bridegroom is ready to leave his in-laws' house, he thought that there was a no bamboo door in his village. So what he did? He removed the bamboo door and carried it with him and left for his home. So when he thought that there was no any bamboo door in his village, so what he did? He removed that bamboo door. Okay, that bamboo door, he removed it and carried it with him at his home. When he reached at his home, at that time he told his wife that make curry with this bamboo door. Who said this and to whom? So the bridegroom, the husband, said this, make curry with this bamboo door. Okay, who said this? The husband said to his wife. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? When the husband said that, make the curry with this bamboo door. At that time, his wife was shocked and he said that, how can I make curry out of a bamboo door? Who said this? The wife of the husband said this. Okay. Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo. Chopping up the bamboo. He said. The husband said to his wife that come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. So, after that, the wife boiled the bamboo dough. He boiled it and boiled it. And when he gave her husband, at that time the husband said that it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. So, the husband said to his wife that it's too hard. The bamboo door is too hard, okay, and it is worth eating. So the husband said his wife that you don't know how to cook. तुम्हें नहीं पता है कि इसे कैसे बनाना है. His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. It's still too hard. I can't eat it. Then what his wife did? He added some water in that bamboo dough. He added some water and again boiled it. Okay. So after that, the husband said that it is still too hard. वो अभी भी उतना ही hard है and I can't eat it. मैं उसे नहीं खा सकता. The in-laws came to visit the young couple at evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, did you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door? So on that day, when the in-laws visited the young couple, at that time the couple said all these things, with all these things जो उनके साथ हुआ है, वो सब उन्होंने mother-in-law से कहा. Okay, so the mother-in-law was laughing. The mother-in-law was laughed at his foolishness, and the mother-in-law said that, did you know that the curry was made from a bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door? Okay, the husband or the wife tried to make the curry from the bamboo door, but actually the mother-in-law made the curry from bamboo shoot. When the husband or the bridegroom asked the mother-in-law that how can you make this curry? At that time the mother only pointed out on the bamboo door. Right? She was not clearly told about that. Okay? He just pointed out on the bamboo door. But when the husband or when the young couple tried to make the curry from bamboo door, and when they visited at the young couple, at that time the mother clarifies that the curry was shoot and not from bamboo door. So this is the lesson bamboo curry. I hope you all understood it very well. Now let us go ahead with the activity.
So now let's see the exercise from our unit bamboo curry. Here we have the question like complete the sentence meaningfully. Here we have some blanks. We have to put a proper word and make the sentence meaningful. The first one is the bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of bamboo and there was no bamboo in his village. We know that when the mother pointed out on the bamboo door and the bridegroom thought that there was no bamboo in his village, so he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him at his home. So here in the first blank the word is bamboo and here it's a village. The bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because blank. Why the bridegroom was not able to eat the bamboo curry? Because they made the curry from bamboo door, okay, and it was too hard, he could not eat it, okay. The bamboo door, it's too hard, so the couple made the curry from bamboo door and it's too hard, and that is why he was not able to eat. In the second part, we have the question like fill in the blanks with words from the story. We have to fill the words which is there in our story. The bridegroom went to visit blank. Bridegroom कहाँ पे visit करने गए थे? Mother-in-law's house. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. He stayed at night with in-laws. He carried the bamboo door back with him. The curry was made from bamboo shoots. So here is a exercise activity which is given in the back side of our lesson bamboo curry. So here we completed our chapter bamboo curry. Write down this activity in your notebook. We will meet in our next video.